Standard 6, Chapter 3, Diversity in Living Things and Their Classification, Part 4. Can you tell? Have you seen vines like pumpkin, the railroad creeper, cavali, watermelon or the grapevine? How do they grow? Children, look at this picture. What you can observe, that is, there is a vine and it is moving in upward direction with the help of a support. Vines. Vines are a soft stems. Some plants need vertical support for growing. Some plants vines, that is example cucumber, grapevine or bottle gourd, bitter gourd. All these plants they grow on support, that is they need a support, that is they are called as climbers. Whereas some plants which spread on the ground, example pumpkin, then watermelon, they spread on the ground, so they are called creepers. Money plant have aerial roots. Money plant also grows on a support. It is a climber, but it has aerial roots. Have you seen the cucumber tendrils that looks like a spring? Cucumber plant has a spring-like part which continue to grow toward the support. Touch the stem of any vine, that is any plant which is creeper or climber, you touch how it is soft and flexible. The stem of creeper is very flexible, soft and green. It grows rapidly with the help of a support. Children, you can observe here in picture creepers which spread, their fruits are big enough and heavy, that is example watermelon or pumpkin. Can you tell? For how many years do crops like bajra, wheat, corn, radish, marigold live? Now children, you must have observed these crops. For how many years do they live? Think about it. That is bajra, wheat, corn, they live for how many years? The life cycle of plants like jawar, sunflower is completed in 1 year. So those plants which grow and complete their life cycle in 1 year are called as annual plants. The life cycle of plants like carrot, beetroot is of 2 years. They are called biennial or biennial plants. Shrubs like hibiscus and oleander and trees like mango and gulmohar live for several years and bear flowers and fruit. They are called perennial. Perennial means live for many years. According to the period of their life cycle, plants are classified as annual. Now we have seen annual plants, that is jawar, bajra, wheat, they are annual plants. Biennial, that is beetroot, carrot are biennial plants which live for 2 years, and perennial which live for many years. Can you tell? To which part of the plants are butterflies and insects attracted? Yes, butterflies and insects are attracted towards the flower. Plants that bear flowers are called flowering plants, while the plants that never bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Means the plants which do not bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants may not have organs like roots, stem or leaves. Some plants may not have roots, some plants may not have stem or leaves. Use your brain power. What type of plants are toadstools and mushrooms? Children, observe the picture of toadstool and another picture is of mushrooms. These both are fungi which do not produce their own food. What type of plant is a fig? Fig is a huge tree. Its branches spread making a canopy, that is a dome shape. Do ferns, algae, money plant bear flowers? No, they do not bear flowers. They are called non-flowering plants. Do you know the world's largest flower is found in Indonesia? The diameter of flower of the plant Rafflesia arnoldi is about 1 meter. The world's smallest flower is of plant called Wolfria or duckweed. Its diameter is as small as 0.5 millimeter. Children, your first picture is of flower Rafflesia arnoldi, which is about 1 meter in diameter, that is 100 centimeter. And another picture is of smallest flower Wolfria or duckweed, which flower is taken on the tip of a finger and it is shown. So it is very tiny. Can you tell where does the pomegranate shrubs grow? Pomegranate shrubs grow in orchards or in farms and grow up to height 6 to 10 meters. Where does the lotus grow? Lotus is an aquatic plant and it is submerged in the water. Its roots are underwater while leaves float on the water surface. Where do bulrushes, railroad creepers grow? Bulrushes grow near water sources, near bank of water bodies. Railroad creepers are seen growing on the compound of houses and on the roadside. It cannot grow without support as the stems are green and are soft and flexible. Where does the dodder plant grow? Dodder plant is a parasitic plant. It is seen growing on the host plant. It can absorb all the nutrients from the host plant. Children, observe this picture. What you can observe that plants growing in different habitat. That is, some are growing here deep into the water, some are floating on the water, some are growing on the land, whereas some are growing in the desert region. Example, cactus. We see different plants growing in different places around us. Plants can be classified according to the habitat or the place where they grow. Example, land, water, marshy area, desert, and even a big tree are the various habitat of the plant. Now next, use your brain power. Why does the water hyacinth float on the water? Because their stems are soft and are spongy, and leaves are also specially modified to float the plant. Why is the stem of the cactus fleshy? Cactus is a desert plant. To survive in desert, its body is highly modified, that is, leaves are reduced and are converted into thorns. Stems make up the function of photosynthesis and thus turns green and are fleshy. What different criteria are used to classify plants? Plants are classified on different criteria, that is, shape and the height of the stem, that is, trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. Life cycle of the plant is the next criteria, where you will see some plants grow as an annual plant, some as biennial and perennial. Then some plants are classified, that is, flowering and non-flowering plants, and based on their habitat, that is, just now we have seen, that is, living on the land, then in the desert, in water and marshy areas.